Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday morning. I got to sleep in a little bit today. The fuzzy alarm clocks really didn't do anything this morning. Miracle. Yes, it's stupendous Saturday. I just got back from the market. Not full-blown shopping. We're still doing that tomorrow. And I'll get to that in a minute. But yeah, I just got back from the market. Last night, 3-part meal. First, I did salmon with lemon caper sauce. The salmon was perfect. The sauce, I can't believe I'm going to say this. Too much garlic. It made the sauce grainy and just, it wasn't really a sauce. But the salmon itself was perfect. Yes. Then I did my rice pilaf. And to be honest, I almost oopsed that one. Oops. I don't know what happened, but it just, but it ended up being good. But, you know. Then I tried a new way for radishes. A sauteed radishes with a Blanco balsamic vinegar and herbs. It was sauteed. Yeah, it was sauteed. They were really good. The Blanco or white balsamic added a nice little kick. I used flat leaf parsley, dried cilantro because I didn't have any fresh at the house, and some chives, dried chives. I quit buying fresh chives just because it's a waste. So I used dried chives. There. I've had 3 cups of coffee. What's wrong? So, well, I'll do the radishes again. I think I'll kick it up a little bit, maybe add a little bit of a shallot to it instead of, the chives. I don't know. I'll play with that one because it was pretty good. Today was supposed to be my day off. Yeah, that's why I went to the market, because I decided that I needed to use this meat sauce I did last week, and I really need to use it. I hate to have it sit this long. So I'm going to do a small lasagna today. So that's why I went to the market. Here's the wonderful sauce. As you can see, it's nice and meaty. I hope to use most of it. Yeah. Got some lasagna noodles I already had in the pantry. I am going to cook these. I've actually gotten pretty proficient at cooking and maintaining the integrity of lasagna noodles. Here's the hardware pan. The pan for it, like I said, is definitely smaller than a 9x13. I'm going with some sharp cheddar, some mozzarella. I got a whole milk ricotta, an egg. Oh, I forgot the parm. There should be parm here. I have the parm in the fridge, in the cold box. And I'm going to be using up a bunch of cheeses. Just by not doing the sauce, the X marks the spot of where the sauce would be. So that much is left. And it's basically building the lasagna itself. Now, I'm having issues with my camera system over on the other counter on my island. I'm going to try to do, because I get asked a couple times every so often on how to build a lasagna. So I'm going to try to figure out a way to record the live of this. I can't get it into any of my groups for some reason. So yeah, I'm going to work on that. And since I wasn't really satisfied with the naan I did the other night, and Robert and I both kind of went, I'm going to try roti. Traditional roti in India uses a whole wheat flour. Unfortunately, the wheat flour that my ex-wife used to use comes in like a 25-pound bag, and I did the research at Bel Air. I thought they carried it in a smaller quantity, but they don't. So I've gone with a Rayleigh's brand whole wheat flour. I could have gone with Uncle Fester's or whatever, but they want $10. So I might. Depends on how much energy I have today. Here's the whole wheat flour. I've looked at several recipes and none of them are the same. None. So these are 3 recipes that I'm kind of basing it on. And I will not, again, I will not call my ex-wife. Not on this. That's how well we get along. So I might do these tonight. It could be fun with the lasagna. This week, yeah, this is gonna be a longer. This is Saturday, so it could be longer. This coming week, let me see. What am I doing? I'm going to be putting together a Greek seasoning blend for a recipe later on. I'm going to be doing, I've been pushing this soup off for a couple months, a broccoli cheddar soup. I might reserve the rotis for the soup. And then I'm doing a pan-seared Mediterranean salmon in tomato. A lemon-infused couscous. Ooh. And a savory balsamic soy roasted garlic mushrooms. Wow. These are in no order, by the way. A baked chicken thighs and baharat, which I've already put together. That same baharat spice blend, which actually has the ground cloves in it, because I bought cloves. These thighs actually get roasted with baby red potatoes. So there's my starch. And then I'm going to do a roasted Greek veggies. That's where the Greek seasoning blend comes in. Then I'm going to do a repeat of Korean beef tacos, which has kimchi. Oh, those are so good. And Robin and I's favorite, drunken noodles. Yeah. I love Sopa Thai, but unfortunately, Sopa Thai sold. Sopa sold her restaurant. She needed, not that she needed to retire, but she should have retired before. You know what I mean? I love Sopa. I love her family. Yeah. But yeah, Sopa Thai is no longer owned by the Sopa and her family. So I'll be doing drunken noodles next week. Yeah, fun. On this stupendous Saturday, have a great day. Stay out of the heat. It's not supposed to be real hot today like it was yesterday. But the 100 degrees are coming. Oh, by the way, hopefully in the next few days, probably Monday, this is all getting sheared. That's why I'm wearing a hat. I should have been wearing a hat for the last week. But this is driving me crazy. This whole thing, the whole hair thing. So have a great day. Eat great food. And have fun cooking.